पोस्ट कोविड सर ठीक ठीक होने के बाद जैसे शुगर लेवल हमारा बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया, 480 चला गया। उसके बाद मतलब अभी तक आज तक मैं दवा पे ही हूँ।
Before COVID, I was in pre-diabetic stage, and now I'm a full diabetic patient.
पोस्ट कोविड में मेरा वीकनेसेस मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा थी, हाथ में, पैर में, घुटनों में, जॉइंट्स पेन मुझको हो रहे थे।
Despite recovery from COVID-19, many patients are still experiencing complications. Irregularity in blood pressure and diabetes compel them to see their doctors. Patients say that they are still coping with complications like muscle weakness, weight loss, weak eyesight, heart rhythm problems, and fatigue.
Lot of muscle weakness, particularly in my shin area, and then of course diabetes. It is still fluctuating. I mean, before COVID, I was in pre-diabetic stage, and now I'm a full diabetic patient. And during the course of my recovery, I was also suffering from hypertension. Then, like lot of blood pressure fluctuations were there. But the major part was the weakness, muscle weakness. Like I was not able to walk also, and yes, diabetes too, still I'm struggling with it. I had some kind of heart weakness twice after my recovery from COVID. Twice I have been hospitalized, although there is no blockage.
मेरा वीकनेसेस मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा थी, हाथ में, पैर में, घुटनों में, जॉइंट्स पेन मुझको हो रहे थे। और मैं करीब रिकवरी होने के बाद 19 मई को मेरा नेगेटिव आया था। आफ्टर दैट मैं एक 10 दिन बाद मैं ऑफिस ज्वाइन कर लिया था। लेकिन मैं जब ऑफिस में बैठता था तो 2-3 घंटे के बाद मेरे बैक एक में, पीठ में एक दर्द टाइप का होता था। दर्द मतलब जैसे अगर मैं कहीं स्ट्रेट जगह पे लेट जाऊं तो मुझे थोड़ा रिलैक्स होता था, आराम होता था। मैं घर जाके 1 से 2 घंटा मैं आराम करता था, तो तब मेरा वो रिकवर होता था। लेकिन ये चीज मेरी करीब महीने चली है, 1 महीने से ऊपर चली है।
पोस्ट कोविड सर ठीक होने के बाद जैसे शुगर लेवल हमारा बहुत इंक्रीज हो गया, 480 चला गया। उसके बाद मतलब अभी तक आज तक मैं दवा पे ही हूँ। और वेट लॉस भी करीब 10 kg का हो गया, जो आज तक मतलब रिकवर नहीं आ रहा है। हेयर फॉल आ गया, आई साइड लो हो गई, और इसका सब कुछ शुगर से ही आ रहा है। डॉक्टर साहब लोग कह रहे हैं कि शुगर से ही सब कुछ है, वो कंट्रोल नहीं आ रहा है।
An analysis of medical records of patients admitted to hospitals run by Mayo Clinic in the US suggested that hypertension plays a major role and it is associated with 10 complications. This study will be useful for doctors in treating patients with post-COVID complications. Senior consultant with Sir Gangaram Hospital in New Delhi, Dr. Pooja Khosla says patients with post-COVID complications have increased after the second wave.
The aftermath of COVID we are witnessing in our day-to-day OPDs with various issues like infections, like metabolic issues, like inflammatory and blood coagulation like problems we are witnessing in our OPDs. And COVID, unlike other diseases, doesn't end within like 2 weeks. It carries on, and for few it carries on for weeks and months post COVID is the infective phase is over. So diabetes, a lot of people who've been on steroids for the management of COVID, they either ended up becoming diabetics because of steroid usage, and their underlying diabetes getting unmasked before time. And similar situation, even with steroids and other stress-related issues, they became hypertensive. There's a lot of mental diseases what we are encountering. But it's just not that. There are so many infective complications which we've been seeing day in, day out.
In many patients, COVID-19 affects various systems of the body, resulting in complications even after recovery.
COVID was not just restricted to a short interval. It created a lot of bad influence on the various systems during the disease and post the disease. And if one major organ of the body gets hit, like lung, it's going to have effect on the heart. A lot of post-COVID mental disorders, including neurological complications, we are witnessing. So then they come with loss of memory, headaches, difficulty in walking, and they have their nerves involved. They have their different areas involved. Blood pressure fluctuations are also there. That may not be because of COVID alone, but now people have actually started looking for their issues. So any illness made them aware that health is an important thing which they should not have been neglecting. And when they start observing their health related things, they come to know they are diabetic, they are hypertensive. Partly it could be because of the drugs given during the disease, partly the complications, and plus they would have even come because of their age. And just that now they are regularly monitoring, they are aware of it.
Doctors say people should be aware about post-COVID complications and should not ignore any newly developed symptoms in the body after recovery from COVID. A Times Online report.